Good evening, everyone. Welcome back with the third puzzle in the puzzle page of Saturday. Yes, it's still Saturday, June the 10th, 2023, and I've already solved two puzzles. The Sudoku with 2 or 3 stars. We have here Killer Sudoku. I've already solved. So two puzzles remain: the tectonic and the binary puzzle. A number 6573, and this one is a 10 by 10 binary puzzle with 26 printed digits. 10 by 10, that means in a row or in a column there are always 5 ones and 5 O's. Alright, so let's get started. Double one, here no, there no. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's. So the rest are ones. Double one, here no, there no. 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 Double one, there no, here no. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. Between two ones comes an O. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. Between two O's comes an 1. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. Between two ones comes an O. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. Between two ones comes an O. Between two ones comes an O. Between two O's comes an 1. Between two O's comes an 1. Double one, here no, there no. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's. So the rest are ones. Then, let me think. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Well, I know between an O and a 1 with 2 empty boxes, between there's always an O and a 1 there, but I do not know in which order. So we have the first one, second one, third one, fourth one, and fifth one. So that box will be an O. Between two O's comes an 1. Now we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 1. So the rest are O's. Double O, here one, there one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 1. So the rest are O's. Double O, here one, there one. Between two ones comes an O. Between two ones comes an O. Double O, here one, there one. Between two ones comes an O. And I know between an O and a 1 with 2 empty boxes between, there's always an O and a 1 there, but I do not know in which order. So we have the first one, second one, third one, fourth one, and fifth one. So the rest are O's. Yeah. I know between an O and a 1 with 2 empty boxes between, there's always an O and a 1 there, but I do not know in which order. So we have the first one, second one, third one, fourth one, and fifth one. So that box should be an O. Double O, here one, there one. Well, 1, 2, 3, 4 ones. If I place number 5 there, then we have 4 O's in a row in the first row. Not allowed one of the rules, so this can be 1. This should be an O. Let me think. Here we have 4 O's. If I place number 5 here, then we have 4 ones in a row in this column. Not allowed one of the rules, so this can be no. This should be a 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones. So the rest are O's. Double O, here one, there one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones. So the rest are O's. Between two O's comes in 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Yeah. I know between a 1 and an O with 2 empty boxes between. There's always an O and a 1 there, but I do not know in which order. So we have the first one, second one, third one, fourth one, fifth one. So that box should be an O then. Double O, here one, there one. 1, 2, 3, 4. I know between an O and a 1 with 2 empty boxes between, there's always an O and a 1 there, but I do not know in which order. So we have the first O, second O, third O, fourth O, fifth O. So that box should be a 1. Between two 1s comes an O. Between two O's comes an 1. Now we need to compare, I believe. Okay, we have here double O. Let me see. Here we have a double O. Okay. Well, it's not the same, this one. Okay, here we have a double O. Can I check? Well, cannot compare the column, so I need to compare the rows. Here we have a double O with a 10. So this one, no, it's totally different. Double O, double O, double O, double O. Yeah, we have a double O, but we have a double 1 there. Overlook something, maybe. Yeah, overlook something, because we have a double 1 here. Here, no, there, no. Yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4, and this is number 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. Wait. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, wait. Made a mistake. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, made a mistake. Okay. So here, this one was correct. We have a double O here. So this is an O. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this should be a 1 then. Between two 1s comes an O. Double O here, 1 there, 1. Okay, finished in 7 minutes. Wow. Okay, 7 minutes. Between two 1s comes an O. Okay. And here, between two O's comes an 1. Okay, now it's finished. 7 minutes. 7 minutes. Alright. Made a small error. But we solve it again, and I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file, so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the last puzzle for today, a tectonic. Until then, bye-bye for now.